select a dish for your party. A cake! First, we need to prepare the ingredients. Cut all the items. Well done! Way to go! That's right! Now let's add the ingredients to the bowl. Way to go! That's right! Great! Now you need to stir the ingredients. Way you go! The dough is ready! Boil the baking tray. You're almost there! Now you need to place the food on the baking tray. Way to go! Yeah! All the ingredients are in! Just need to bake the cake now. Tap on the screen to speed up the baking. Yeah! Our cake is ready! It's time to get the party ready! Let's cut out the garland! Now decorate the backyard! Beautiful! Beautiful! Great garland! Drag the objects to their outlines. Finally, we can have a snack. Catch pieces with your mouth. Tap on a piece to eat it. Tap on a piece to eat it. Tap on a piece to eat it. That's right. Tap on a piece to eat it. Way to go! tap on a piece to eat it. There's a lot of tap the piñata to break it. Yeah, so much candy! That was a great party! You did a great job! Vlad and Niki are waiting for your game review.